In this video, I'm going to explain how to create quizzes on Google Forms. When I click on Google Forms, I go to Google Forms. We have lots of templates, so we can choose any template. For example, it can be educational template, course evaluation, assessment. I chose assessment so that students can write their names and emails before starting the test. Here we can say midterm exam and continue with questions. I add my first question here. He an engineer. First option am, second is, third option are. I can choose the correct answer as the preparation for answer key. I click on it and I click on is and then click on done. This is a required question, so this is set on the right, and then we continue with the next question. So, and also for answer key, you can add points for that question. If they do it correct, they get 1 point or 2 points or 5 points. And you can continue like this. You have many question types as well, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down. You can also add photos, image and video for each question, so that's quite useful. And let me show you a finalized version of a quiz which I made previously. I click on this one, quiz 1. Students write their names, emails and start doing their exercises. When you finalize it, all you need to do is to share the link with students. So, how do you share the link? You can just click to send. You can have the link copied, or you can send it to their emails. Copy this link to anywhere, to WhatsApp groups, to Google Classroom, to Microsoft Teams, that you can use it on other platforms as well. So when they click on that, they start doing their quizzes, and then you see their responses. As soon as they finish their quiz, you see their responses, and with lots of statistics and questions, and see all their mistakes and points. For example, this student got 40 out of 51 points. So everything is in one page, and it's really in an organized way. I hope this helps. We can use these as an exam tool as well. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps.